From Young Brothers Farms in Marshall County, Indiana, this is Harvest 2019. Thanks for joining us. Dustin the Farmin' Cop here. Today we're starting off at Holler Farms harvesting our first field of soybeans. This is being done with our Case IH 5088 series combine with a 250 bushel capacity holding tank. The combine is running a 30-foot Case IH 3020 TerraFlex auger header. For our grain cart, we're using our Brent 678 that's holding just under 700 bushel. This is being pulled by our Case IH 290 Magnum. We also have our two Freightliner Century Class semis. They are pulling two Tempty 40-foot grain trailers that hold 1,000 bushels each. We have a lot of great footage, so stick around, and I hope you enjoy our harvest videos. It's Harvest Kickoff 2019. Told you guys we'd be in the driver's seat, and here we are today in the driver's seat. This is our Case 290 Magnum pulling our Brent grain cart. So far we've already filled up one semi load of beans, almost two full, and then almost the back hopper of the second truck. So we're moving right along here for harvest. What is a grain cart? Also called an auger cart. It brings the grain from the combine to the wagon or truck at the end of the field. Grain carts have a large flotation tire or tracks, which enable them to be easily pulled nearly anywhere in the field, even in muddy conditions. A grain cart can increase the efficiency of harvest by more than 25% because they enable the combine to keep picking corn or soybeans almost non-stop. The big benefit of using a grain cart is the ability to unload the grain from the combine's hopper into the grain cart while the combine is continuing to pick the crop. The person driving the tractor, pulling the grain cart, carefully pulls up next to the combine, drives the same speed as the combine. Once their speed is matched, the combine driver pushes a button to begin unloading the crop. They both continue to drive, and in about 2 minutes, the combine hopper is empty. The grain cart operator pulls away from the combine, and the combine continues to harvest the crop. After a few loads, the grain cart operator drives to the end of the field and unloads it into a semi-truck or wagon. Efficiently running the tractor and grain cart takes skill and is a fast-paced job. The cart operator is always doing something, getting grain, driving it to and from the truck, or unloading the grain. The operator needs to be able to think ahead and anticipate when and where they will need to be. When heading across the field, they should drive to where the combine will be, not to where it is now. Their goal is to keep the combine running non-stop. A lot of times what you will see when the flashing lights are on the combine, that means that the combine is getting full and it's sending an alert to the grain cart operator. Grain cart operator then pulls up alongside, again matches the speed, and unloads the grain hopper. That's going to wrap up the video for our first day of bean harvest, guys. Please remember to leave a comment below. Also hit that like button. And if you enjoy our channel, tell your friends about it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys very soon.
5150, somebody call the po-po.